Artivism and the Enhancement of Energy Democracy, March 2024. Energy democracy, abbreviated as ED, has evolved significantly since the 2000s, primarily within grey literature. Van Willen and van der Horst 2018 compiled definitions of ED from 2003 to 2017. Kasulke in 2003 defined ED as empowerment all consumers to be part of the solution. Angel in 2017 described it as involving collective control, universal access, and social justice within energy systems. In diagram 1 on the right-hand side of this slide, encapsulates key words from these definitions, illustrating the ED involves citizens' empowerment, collective energy system control, community building, and democratization of infrastructure ownership, participatory energy governance, and power redistribution from corporates to citizens. Transition from centralized to decentralized or community ownership. Energy ownership has been shifted to address system issues. Investor-owned utility, the first type, regulated by entities under direct control of the state, dominate, promising increased investment and infrastructure development. However, this type of ownership failed to empower individuals through energy democracy, so drawing so many criticism. The second type of the ownership was municipal and public ownership overseen by elected officials, prioritizing utility provision. And the third type of the energy ownership is called community ownership, facilitated by non-profit entities involving customers as members and owners, offering cost-effective services. Energy democracy democratizes energy systems involving community participation in decision-making. It evolves community ownership, emphasizing inclusivity and democratic governance. In 2017, Saluki has proposed a three-dimensional framework for energy democracy, comprising participatory governance, popular sovereignty, and civic ownership. Each of these pillars and its sub-dimensions has been illustrated in the diagram in this slide. For instance, participatory governance emphasizes the importance of energy education and awareness raising to facilitate citizen involvement in decision-making processes related to energy systems. Community-owned renewable projects. These projects serve as crucial links in connecting energy democracy and community engagement. These initiatives involve communities owning and operating various energy facilities to bolster the local economy while generating social and environmental benefits. These projects vary in scale, ranging from small-scale initiatives like rooftop solar panels to larger ventures like wind farms or hydroelectric plants. By empowering communities to take ownership of their energy production and consumption, these projects contribute to the broader goal of democratizing energy systems and fostering community engagement in sustainable practices. Art, education, and culture are vital for raising awareness and sparkling dialogue on energy issues through diverse means like painting, sculpture, film, documentaries, and photography. By engaging emotions, art cultivates a sense of connection and responsibility, motivating action to safeguard the environment. For instance, The Guardian's annual report on environmental sustainability showcased how artistic and journalistic endeavors led to a 23% reduction in energy consumption and a 35% decrease in carbon emissions. Furthermore, art encourages collaboration and community involvement by uniting people through collective initiatives. Artivism and its significance in social and political movement. Artivism, a term coined from the fusion of art and activism, embodies the practice of using artistic expressions as a means to advocate for social and political change. What distinguishes artivism from mere art is its purpose. While both art and artivism can evoke emotions and provoke thought, artivism goes a step further. Its goal isn't merely to create a reaction, it is to inspire action. Artivism serves as a call to arms, urging its audience to question, challenge, and change the world. Daisy Clark published an article titled "The Artist Activist Ushering in a New Energy Democracy," in a non-profit biannual magazine and digital platform in September 2023 that I believe that it is unique in its own. And he had discussed how artist activists are contributing to the movements toward energy democracy, particularly in the context of the decline of the fossil fuel era. Arts and cultural entities exert significant influence and can play a pivotal role in encouraging suppliers to adopt ethical practices and develop eco friendly products and services. The first example belongs to the Art and Energy Collective, a diverse group of artists, thinkers, and makers passionately explores the fusion of art and energy. Their recent exhibit at Glasgow's Botanic Gardens showcased an impressive array of 20,000 handmade moths crafted from recycled milk bottles. These symbolic creatures, adorned with messages contributed by 58,000 participants nationwide, encourage contemplation on our connection to the energy system and the importance of sustainable power sources. The second experience is done by British filmmaker Dan Edelstein and Hilary Powell, crafted the compelling documentary entitled Solidarity, shedding light on the solar energy project in Highland Park, Michigan, initiated by local residents in response to utility reposition of street lights. This grassroots initiative invested 30,000 solar technology. The installation of solar-powered street lights coupled with a mesh Wi-Fi system not only eliminates the streets, but also symbolizes a broader mission to combat energy poverty and champion energy democracy within the community. Through the power of strolling, Edelstein and Powell's films serve as a Ponion manifesto, inspiring viewers with the transformative potential of renewable energy initiatives. A 2000 study by Kammerman and Dermont revealed Swiss political skepticism, particularly by the Swiss People's Party SVP, as a major obstacle to clean energy policies. The research emphasized the significant influence of elite actors on public opinion, suggesting that targeting citizens who are less polarized is crucial for clean energy strategies. I do believe in this fact that artivism offers a solution by using artistic expressions to convey the importance of clean energy, bridging political gaps, and rallying support for sustainability. A good conceptual model produces an organized structure that is suitable to generate an already normalized database. It is highlighted by Wozlovic. Diagram 2 on the right hand side of this slide serves as a conceptual model that best illustrates the interconnectedness of artivism and energy democracy. Artivism served as a powerful tool for raising awareness within communities and promoting community engagement, particularly in the realm of participatory governance, an essential pillar of energy democracy. By leveraging artivism, we can effectively enhance citizen awareness, encourage active participation, and advance the principles of energy democracy. By conducting a SWOT analysis, insights on how creative expressions and activism intersect with energy policy making is being revealed, offering pathway for achieving energy governance goals. The strength of application of artivism in ED is demonstrated in the diagram. Artivism communicates energy democracy concept creatively to a wider audience. It also invokes emotions, fostering deeper engagement with energy democracy issues, and also it mobilizes communities for collective action in energy democracy initiatives. The weakness of application of artivism in ED. Artivism's interpretation can vary, leading to diverse understanding of energy democracy messages. Also, artistic expressions may not reach all segments of society, limiting wider dissemination of energy democracy principles. Education and awareness, and also policy influence, will be the opportunities of the utilization of artivism in ED. Artivism educates and raises awareness about energy democracy, making complex topics accessible, and also artistic interventions can influence policymaking by highlighting energy democracy issues and advocating for change creativity. Misinterpretation and commercializations are the main threats of the application of artivism in ED. Especially commercializing artivism in energy democracy may lead to conflicts of interest or dilution of genuine advocacy efforts. In conclusion, our analysis underscored the role of creative expression and activism in shaping energy policy and advancing energy democracy. By navigating these dynamics effectively, we can harness the power of artivism to derive positive outcomes in energy governance. And finally, here are the references, and thank you very much all.